How to set Amazon Prime account membership with friends. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how you can set up your Amazon Prime account membership with your friends. So if you're wondering how you can share these are the process you need to follow. So you can directly head over to Amazon app instead of the Prime account. You can have that feature in any of the Amazon apps. I'm heading over to the Amazon shopping app. After you're successfully logged into the Amazon shopping app, you can find your account tab on the second on your Amazon app. And when you head over there, you can find this option called account under list. Just go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, you're going to scroll a bit after you reach here until you're able to find this option called manage your household. So you're going to look up for this option called manage your household here and scroll to the bit. So when you head over there, you can find this option where you can add or share your accounts with your friends. So here, in order to add an account, there are three options available of adding an adult, a teen, and a child. So an adult is someone who is 18 and up. Teens are someone with 13 to 17 years old, and children are someone who is 12 and under. So after that is done, after you have read the terms and conditions, you can look up for this option called add an adult, add a teen, and add a child. So if you want to add an adult, go ahead and tap on it, and you're going to select the country, set your country, go on with the verification process, continue with the process they are asking, and after that is done, you can share your account with your friends, and they should be able to find your Amazon Prime account, and they should be able to use your Amazon Prime account membership as well. So that is how you do it. So follow the same process in order to share your Amazon Prime account membership with your friends as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.